In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can tame animals here in 99 Nights in the Forest. Now, you can't actually tame animals the same way that you would something in Minecraft, but you can farm, lure, trap, and manipulate animal behavior to your advantage. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's actually about 4 methods to go ahead and do this, so we're going to go through all 4 of them, starting with method number 1, which is by far the most effective way to tame animals, in my opinion, which is by building a trap. Essentially, construct a small square log of walls and just leave one side open, place berries or carrots inside as bait, and once a rabbit or deer walks in, quickly build the final wall to seal it. Now, animals do not despawn if they're within range of your fire. So you're now going to have a living food and pelt source without having to hunt at all. This method is perfect for mid-game and long survival runs. That being said, that's not the only method. I would also recommend doing something like a bunny foot, which is indirect taming. This is the closest thing to like a pet mechanic in the entire game. Essentially, bunny feet are kind of like rare drops from rabbits, and you don't need to use it to tame a bunny. Instead, trade it to the pelt trader. The pelt trader is going to give you the good sack from this, and this is going to massively increase your inventory space. For solo play, this is essentially mandatory. You're not really taming an animal, you're more so taming your inventory limits, if that makes sense. Now, method number 3 is called controlling the deer. This is essentially boss manipulation, and if you don't know, the deer cannot be tamed, but it can be controlled. The deer is afraid of high intensity light, so keep your fire at least level 6, place your flashlights around the base, and it's going to force the deer to stay near the forest edge. It's also going to avoid charging directly into your camp, which is very helpful. You're not essentially taming it, you're dominating its behavior. For method number 4, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is build a birdhouse near your base, because birds will regularly land nearby, and this is going to give you passive feathers for arrows, small amounts of meat, and it's not going to make you have to hunt at all. It's super helpful. They're not necessarily true pets, but they do act as like renewable resource generators. And even though you can't tame animals in the traditional sense, you can trap them, farm them, manipulate their AI, and turn wildlife into passive systems. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.